Rachel.
Hi, Rachel. What do you have here?
This is my baby chick.
Now, what kind of baby chick is that?
It's Kukumuran.
Wow, that chick has really great little tufts there. That's really special.
Yes, it is.
I think tufts come from the Araucana parents, right?
Yes.
And now, if I'm not mistaken, that little black chick with a white spot on its head will be kind of a speckly color with black and white. Where does that come from?
A Kukumuran.
Wow, what a special, unique little chick. And I see feathers on its legs. Where does that come from?
Kukumuran.
Wow. All right. And what's this chick's name?
Noning the second.
Wow. All right. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye, Renee.